He was very dashing, very good looking, dark hair and blue eyes, and quite a ladies' man, I gather. And he was the first one who came to the United States. To support himself, he worked in a shoe factory, I think. He worked with leather. He was my mother's oldest brother. She was the youngest in the family. So there was quite a difference in their age. He is dead. He died sometime in the 50s. I used to see him a lot when I was a child. He took an interest in me mostly because when I was younger, I was interested in writing, and he thought he was nurturing that. He left his wife. He had 5 children with his wife. He left his wife and he lived with a woman who was an author. She wrote a kind of serial for the Yiddish, I don't know which Yiddish newspaper it was, and he lived with her for years. Most of my uncles were not married to their wives, but they were living only with their wives like for 40 years, 30 years. They didn't believe in marriage, as that was part of their political thinking. And I was very close with all of them as a child. And Leib was, of course, the star of the family. So that as a child, I would go to all these events where he was being honored and so forth. The Forward newspaper, where he was a contributor for years. By the way, he was not well. He suffered from tuberculosis. He was always nurtured by people in the Jewish community. I mean, he was sent to various hospitals. People were paying for all kinds of things for him. And I would say that the early part of my life was very influenced by the fact that there was that part of my life that was intersected with his life.